Guys, I'm back on News Galo to just give you a review of Thando Nesithembu. So mostly I'll just be giving highlights of what happened. But I want to start with Nonku's story, lento kaNonku nemali. Problem lento. It's been going on and I realized ukuthi sibuye sithatha sifaka ngaphansi kwa-carpet and ngaphansi kompede and ngaphansi komqabelo because we just like, okay, let's just leave Nonku. uNonku lento yakhe imali. It's not the first time. Yakhumbula ukuthi noSorisha on one of the reunions about 2 years ago. uSorisha wayezama ukuthi you know, and then when they turned on uSorisha on that reunion, uSorisha walked out crying, right? There uNonku wayeboleka imali kuSorisha, guys. Like, it was out in the open at some stage, and there was just one incident where uSorisha was like, even Sun City lo wakaboleka imali. Actually, I have receipts. So I want to go to nalapho futhi sazama ukuyifaka ngaphansi kwa-carpet. But uNonku has a problem. Yebo, uyi-single mother, we all are. But I mean, guys, when jalo, there's always a story about you earn money and telling imali zabantu and you feel entitled and unomlomo around it all the time. Like, why can't you just keep quiet and be like, yeah, ngayiboleka imali, so what, guys, leave me alone. Uyigalise kungcono. Iyadlula leyo. Manje sekubev no bev naye amxhaphaza is just like loyo uthatha imali yami ubese bhala ke i-apology kuNonku ke hayi ngiyaxolisa bev. But nje uNonku's relationships, all of them don't end well. Buka nje, she didn't end well. You never thought so. But I had said many times all these seasons ukuthi lalela this relationship about 2 seasons ago ngasho ngathi hayi le relationship ya Nonku nalo sisters lo Jojo, it will not end well. It's not genuine there, it's not proper. Like when we born those forced relationships, it's just like if you do watch my channel News Galo about a year ago in 2024 to be exact, ngasho ngathi mina listen, ngeke iziphele kamnandi le relationship, it's forced. There's something that's not right here. It's not gonna end well, you know. Ngilongisho ngithi mina man uNonku and comes off as someone othi nomngane womlungu ampela then you, so what, like we were all like, sis, please calm down. Kodwa nje that relationship wasn't genuine at all. It wasn't proper, and I kept on saying ukuthi labo bobawuthu it don't end well. And sometimes when you say that, you look negative and you look like awufuni uNonku abe nabangani. Why are you like this? But I could see it. It wasn't right. And nangempela it ended in so many drops of tears. I was like, gege. So bamba nalapha Sithembu. So I just feel ukuthi in a way like it's episode 1 and 2 Sithembu ngiyabahlanganisa because I just feel like, you know. So into that I don't understand ukuthi guys, and they come across as villains ngathi manje bayalwisa. I'm just like, bro, ningena mhlambe we ningenelela kakhulu, you know. Macele's family is the one that actually feels like ngathi ba villains, ngathi bangenelela kakhulu endabeni zakhe nomshado wakhe. Sometimes there's no need for that, and we like doing that, and singene sifake nenzipho, and then we are seen as ithina actually sibaxabanisayo labantu abawu-2. Ngoba at the end of the day, guys, indaba ezabantu abawu-2 ukuthi nina ningenaphi as a family angeni nowhere. That's why abanye they even disown their families. Umuntu athi nje ushem animthandi usithando sami, mina-ke ngihamba naye, salam, bye. Season 9 is giving, guys. That is why I was just like, you know, ngizomenza this time, although I'm not gonna review it like fully, but ngizokhuluma nje a few things about this family. I'm just like, it is giving though. But you can see ukuthi yabona uMasamseleko uhlangene noMacele ukuthi babe busy noMayini noMakhumalo. And I thought Musa really liked Makhumalo, you know. But I can see ukuthi la things are not gonna end well. Yabona uMakhumalo, if they're gonna be busy with her, she's gonna have to stand up for naye angabi nalento yakhe yokuthi abe that, you know, that whole thing of yebo baba, that thing needs to stop it. Yeah, those things, we are in 2026 now, can't go on like that. So you can see ukuthi uMacele ufuna ukuba busy noMakhumalo, like I said. So uMacele is coming up with the story now ukuthi uMakhumalo unengane ayifihlile. Hawa guys, kukhona iTV, kukhona leyo ngane nayo uyayifuna ukuphuma ngaki. I'm just like, and we've always known ukuthi thina uMakhumalo cannot have children, literally. Ngoba phela uMusa Mseleku, we can say ukuthi he can have children. Lona had problems with infertility. So what is the problem here? So where is the child coming from? When uMacele uhambe wayigumba leyo ngane, uMacele nendaba guys. Oh my gosh. Guys, Umangwabe was gone already. I don't know what is her problem. She should have just gone. I mean, that's just my thing and start all over. And why is right? Umuntu ayisebenzela inkinga engako in life. So I was just like, sister, now you don't know where you stand. Awunayo ibhekbone. What's up with that? Because manje you're gonna come back here. Pretend nje ninomusa. Ubona nangesmile sabo nje, so crazy. They put on smile. And she comes up with stories abantu babemhleka ini, and yena, her mom is the one that spoke to her nomngani wakhe, but I know you can't just leave your man like that for people. Imagine. I'm like, please, can you just give us other reasons? What is your story kahle? Ngapha uMangwabe ulokenze ngathi akasalali noMusa, those people abalalana wasiyeke. Yeah, no, Musa Mseleku ufuna ukuba busy noMakhumalo, guys, and to a point where he even said things like ungibonga ngeplate lamasimba. Guys, who even says that? Like ukubongani? Like these people bavele babona ukuthi bayakwaleto. Like, and uMakhumalo has shown us so many times ukuthi uyayisebenzela, wayithengela imoto, ubusy manje renovate indlu yakhe enhle ePortshepstone there somewhere. I guess I'm just assuming ukuthi it's Portshepstone, you know. But hayibo, nangu umuntu ethi ungibonga ngeplate lamasimba. Guys, ngikubonga, ufanele kubongeni. Like, honestly. I had said ngizokhuluma nje kancane ngo-episode 1 introduction nje what has been going on. Obviously we can see the clips and the episode, all of it is on YouTube already, and my thing is that this whole thing yakaMacele bethi nje uMakhawula umuntu wethu. Guys, like, how are you claiming her? Ningena nihlangana. So la abanye abafazi now they were there this whole time, so you don't care about them. I mean, Umakhwela, sorry, Umakhwela is our person now. Oh my gosh, like we are happening. However, you claiming it, like, this is very strange, like family, like, very, very strange. Umusa Mseleku lento yakhe ukuthi ene kuMakhumalo ena, you wouldn't be here if it wasn't for me. Like, guys, oh, yabo mina once you do those things, ukuthi nami ngiyayizamela ngiyabonakala ku-TV ukuthi I'm not sitting, awungifunzi. So, and then you start to come up with things like that. I'm just like, bye. Like, but nje uMakhumalo, she's not the same person. Just shame, she's unhappy with a lot of things. And be like, I'm out. Bye. Because honestly, Umusa is treating her in some type of way. It's not fair. It's not right. I don't like it. Yeah. Gapa, Makhwela, be like, oh, you're the one. And at the same time, first, I realized most people on TV are not relating with Makhwela, but like people my age. Mina ngifuna nje ukuthi guys, mncane uMakhwela. Ngizombona later. Like, I don't have a problem with her as such, but I'm just like, whatever. Omacele ke babhizi bahleba ngomayini noma yini beyigile kubo beyikhuluma ngeTombstone yakubo and about people that scam them around iTombstone yakubo. Ayi, yabo nje ikabora guys, noma sekuzoba uMakhwela ukuthi she's actually recognized as the wife. Angimeni kancane guys, nansi construction. Thank you so much. Nginthanda over.